Hello and welcome to Bollywood Wala. I am Sunum. दोस्तों आज हम रिव्यू करेंगे Army of the Dead and I have an army of students with me here. Let me start with Sara, who I can see right up front on my screen. Sara, कैसे लगा फिल्म आपको Army of the Dead?
सर ऑनेस्टली ना मुझे बहुत ग्रोस लगा. आई डोंट लाइक ब्लड एंड ऑल दैट. लाइक आई वाज ऐसे करके देख रही थी the whole time.
अच्छा
But
बहुत
I
मुश्किल
still
था आपको.
managed to, yes, I still managed to watch it till the end, and I like the story.
You
Like
like
how
the
she
story, okay?
loses her father. Yeah. In the
Okay.
end, only she is left, and everyone else dies, and she realizes that her father wasn't wrong in any
Oh,
sense. So yeah, I like the story.
okay.
But it was
Sakina?
very violent.
It was very violent. Okay, yes, it is very violent. Sakina?
Yes, so for me also the same thing. I would like to say that the film was kind of okay. It wasn't nothing much which could excite me.
Okay.
Yes, there was a bit of suspense, like whether they are going to kill all the zombies or not. But the way it ended was unexpected, I would say. And it was cringy because of all the blood and all. And yeah, one more thing I would like to add that the film went too fast, I would say.
It went too fast for you. Okay. Okay. Okay, Kavya, no smile on your face. Didn't like the movie?
The movie was quite average. I actually like the zombie genre quite a lot, and I do watch a lot of like such films. So recently, a film called Alive had also come, so that was quite interesting. So the direction of this film is quite good. I mean, the zombies, how much ever you can expect, like the bloodshed that would be there, the way their attacks would be there, the way they surround you, the ones that are sleeping, and the concept of having two types of zombies, that is one like your usual that you see in every movie, and that this movie specifically has a modern zombie that is called the alphas that are quite faster, but they didn't take it anywhere. Like they just left it hanging. It's like they had introduced this plot and forgot about it during the movie because they didn't continue it, and they left. It's like they started to write a story and then they didn't know how to conclude it, so they just killed everyone. And they were like, we leave them in some sort of shocking suspense or something, but it really wasn't worth it. Like it felt like such a waste of good direction and good cinematography put to a very sad story. And we also had Uma Qureshi in it for some reason.
Why was she in the film? Actually, yes.
But she was there. If she was not there, the story would still perfectly flow. If she was, so you can actually snip all her scenes out and the movie can still be done. Like there would be nothing missing.
Yeah.
Utna bhi editing bhi karna nahi rehta tha.
Yeah, it was a nothing role for Huma Qureshi. But anyways, moving on. Yeah. Sorry, Sakina, come again. What were you saying?
The purpose of Huma Qureshi being there was just unexplained.
Okay. Yeah, same here. Even I thought the same. Shreya, what about you?
Sir, I'll agree more with Kavya because it was very average movie, but the action and all were shooted very well and everything was well. But I thought that the story and the everything was unutilized. Like ऐसे कुछ भी करना था तो लोग ने last में लाके like सबको मार दिया. But the 40 to 45 minutes, the last 40 to 45 minutes जो action होता है, it keeps on our heartbeats are like da 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 da. So that is very fine. Like starting में it's very slow, calm.
Right.
क्या करने वाले, क्या होने वाला है, एकदम slow and calm. That the 40 to 45 seconds minutes का जो last में है, that is really. But still sir वो लोग कुछ अच्छा build कर सकते थे कि 2-3 जन बच गए हैं. Like कुछ भी nowhere वो लोग ने सबको मार दिया and like खत्म, कुछ है ही नहीं अभी explain करने के लिए. वो last में वो एक जन को बचा के लोग बता रहे कि हाँ कुछ हो सकता. उधर भी वो लोग ने एकदम complete incomplete छोड़ दिया कि क्या करना है, कुछ नहीं है तो बस खत्म. Like I did not see anything. Like हाँ कुछ अलग सा देखा बोला तो वो alpha वाला थी, the smarter zombie which was really making no sense for me.
Okay.
I don't know for everybody else, but कोई zombie ही होता है. What is smart zombie? What is alpha zombie and all? Still I don't get got any sense of that. Still, मतलब movie
even the tiger was an alpha zombie. The zombie tiger.
What is
but
this?
I quite
like,
enjoyed the tiger.
They wanted a new concept, maybe, sir.
Yeah, I'll come to Janvi. Tell me what is your take on the film?
The film was like okay, as I already said. Like the Zack Slytherin level, it didn't match except for the last fighting scene. The movie I felt a little boring. Like the starting part was kind of boring. So I don't like that movie that much.
Okay, all right. Rushikesh, आपको कैसे लगा? How did you find it?
Movie was average. The
Okay.
concept of mixing zombie genre and the heist is very good.
Okay.
But the story is downward slope. Like first the story goes right, but then it goes downwards. And as everyone mentioned, the action scenes are very good. The VFX use, cinematography, production design are very good.
All right.
And the acting of cast of extras, like the acting of zombies and also the characters are very good. Just just the storyline could be better, a lot better.
Okay. Marita, how did you find it?
Yeah, sir. Actually, at the start, I felt like कुछ तो होगा.
Okay.
ठीक है, कुछ तो होगा आगे अच्छा. But आगे जाके भी it was like some other story only कि हाँ कुछ हो रहा है, मतलब सब लोग जमा हो रहे, कुछ बचाने के लिए, but कुछ है ही नहीं एंड में. ऐसा स्टोरी बहुत फीका था. और also character connect with any one of them because ऐसा मोमेंट है जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा कुछ फील हो रहा है तभी वो इंसान मर जाता है. तो ऐसा था कि हर 10-15 मिनट में कोई मर ही रहा है, तो फिल्म का कुछ मतलब ही नहीं था. बट आई रियली लाइक कि उन लोगों ने ये अलग कॉन्सेप्ट यूज किया जो अल्फा वाला है. वो शायद लोगों को ऐसा देखने जैसा लग जाए, वो टाइगर वाला हॉर्स वाला पार्ट. आई गेस वो कुछ अलग यूज करके अच्छा किया है. बट अगर ऐसा देखने जाए इट वाज लाइक जस्ट अनदर स्टोरी. मतलब हर ऐसा सुपर हीरो वाला फिल्म है जो आके बचाते हैं वैसे ही हो गया वो. बट ऐसा कितना कुछ खास नहीं था.
Okay. Shubhu, what was your reaction like?
To be honest, my perspective about the film is a little different than what everybody else said. Actually, not being such a big fan of these films, I like the film apart from all the violence and all the gross things that were shown. But like Kavya also mentioned that we could see Huma Qureshi. So definitely she did not have any purpose in the film. And even if they tried to, make her a part of the film, her acting did not, make you feel, you could not relate to it, especially in the first part of the film where they show her that she wants to go and all of that. It wasn't coming out naturally. It actually felt that she was acting, and it took me a little time to recognize him. Like, this is some familiar face. I know this person. Who is this person? And then I realized, oh God, this is Huma Qureshi. And I was like, no, this is not the Huma Qureshi that we see in Bollywood. She's completely different. And like Shreya also mentioned and Marita also mentioned, the idea that they had of these animals that they brought in, they brought the tiger, they brought the horse, that was really different. You could, at a point I felt that this is something that I have not seen in all of the action movies and all of these sci-fi and zombie kind of movies that I have seen. I have never seen this kind of a storyline. And definitely the action and all of that was amazing. It was really nice. The one thing that I liked best was, even though it is an action film and they were trying to get that money out of the player casino, it had a story. You cannot deny that it did not have a story. Few parts, yes, it did feel that कुछ link नहीं बन रहा है, कुछ चीजें थी ऐसी की link नहीं बन रहा है. But apart from that, the one thing, another thing that I liked was कि सबने बोला कि everybody was dying, but that is one thing that I actually liked, because otherwise it would have been very cliched कि हाँ सब super heroes है, बच गए end में. That is one thing that I really like कि एंड में वो एक ही बचती है. इवन दो आई वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली व्हाइल वाचिंग द फिल्म आई एम लाइक, इसको क्या चुल मची है, इसको क्यों जाना है, व्हाई शी मेकिंग थिंग्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर हर फादर, एंड इन द एंड शी लूजेस हर फादर बिकॉज ऑफ हर ओन मिस्टेक. सो दैट इज वन थिंग इंस्पायर.
Shubhu, are you still there here with me? Yeah,
that is one thing. Sorry,
no, I lost you for a moment. Go ahead.
okay. Yeah, so that is one thing that I really like कि एंड में ऐसे नहीं दिखाया कि हाँ सब जिंदा है और वो पैसे लेके सब बाहर चले गए. वो एक पार्ट था जो उन्होंने छोड़ दिया, एंड एक्चुअली इट मेड सेंस टू मी बिकॉज इट वाज नॉट लाइक द क्लीशेड फिल्म्स दैट वी गेट टू सी दीस डेज. गुडी एंड में. दैट इज वन थिंग दैट आई रियली लाइक.
Maybe they thought like let audience decide like the end.
Yeah.
Let them think
Yes,
about
the
it.
end was it did leave you on a cliffhanger.
Okay, all right.
Sir, one more thing.
Yeah, go ahead,
उन लोग वहाँ पे क्यों जाते हैं, वो जो भी चीज है वो लोग ने बताया नहीं कि why they went उसके अंदर वो पैसा लेने के लिए नहीं गए. He offered them money कि he will give them money for something that they need to get out of that building. वो क्या है वो भी नहीं बताया उसने. दैट पर्सन हु इज द हेल्पर ऑफ दैट पर्सन, वो बोलता है कि एवरीथिंग इज देयर दैट इज इन दिस बैग. क्या है उस बैग में, वो तो बताओ हमको.
Okay, we'll discuss the plot in a while, but yeah, coming to Kavya, what did you think about the special effects and action, so to speak?
So the special effects and the action did not disappoint. Actually, for a zombie movie, you would expect that there'd be some gruesome deaths, like the most unexpected way. Especially one scene where one character expresses their love for another when it's most unexpected, and she's standing right outside an elevator. She's like, "Okay, let's go attack." And she let her guard down for 1 second and she was killed in the very next moment. And that was a very, like, I mean, as someone who likes this an apocalypse sort of genre, you would appreciate these fight scenes. Honestly, the acting is not something that is beyond the roof or something. It's like, it's not like you would go watch this film for the acting, because I don't think the actors had much to do with it. They had to look a little tough, and they seemed quite natural at it, but again, it was not groundbreaking performances. But apart from the acting, the action sequence that were there, each of them were quite differently choreographed. It wasn't like all of them are just getting chewed upon. It was not like mess scene, like the zombies are just here for like catering food on the humans. They weren't like just one eating each and every one of them. It was well, the surprise attacks and all were quite well staged. But I really like the tiger and the horse that they added into it, because that seems so realistic. That tiger seems realistic, and the horse, the whole thing, like it seemed like the most dangerous zombie would be the tiger. At one scene, even when there's a character who completely forgets the tiger and you see the tiger attack the human, that's a really good scene. Like, it seems so natural. I think, did they actually get the animal on set and do the shooting with the animal? Because it was so naturally done. It was almost like Life of Pi, how realistic the tiger was made to be.
There is also, since you've raised this point, there is also another 28-minute film on Netflix where they have gone behind the scenes and showcased how Zack Snyder has shot this entire film. So maybe if you want to understand how he has shot the zombie films along with the tiger and stuff, maybe you'll get to see that. I have not watched it, but it is worth giving it a try.
Behind the scenes of Army of Dead, right?
Yeah, behind the scenes of Army of Dead. Sara, Huma Qureshi kaise lagi aapko? Even you were disappointed seeing her having nothing much to do?
Yes, sir. A little bit I was disappointed. I was expecting her to, be more natural, and she should have been given some more time, some more screen time in the film. And her role was not justified at all. And in the end, she ends up dying anyways. So obviously, she wasn't able to do justice to the character, and it didn't matter actually if that character was there in the film or not.
Okay, all right, Rushikesh, tell me what's on your mind. Yeah, Rushikesh.
Yeah, so you mentioned about the documentary of behind the scene of this movie,
right?
Then the actual entire film.
Sorry?
And the documentary should yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Rushikesh.
So I was saying that the documentary is interesting than the entire movie itself.
Is it? I'll make it a point to watch it then today. All right. Marita, any actors who interested you in the entire plot of things?
No, sir, I didn't really like anyone's acting, but I definitely like zombie acting. The alpha, the one who was alpha.
Okay.
Also, I really like that thing. I don't really know if I have never seen any of the zombie movies except Goa one, but उसमें एक अलग चीज दिखा है कि the female zombie is pregnant and she's with a baby.
Right.
So I guess वो काफी अलग था. I don't know if they have feelings or या ऐसा कुछ, but वो काफी अच्छा भी लगा, अलग चीज था देखने को. And वो उन लोग का वो zombie वाले मोड में भी वो एक्टिंग काफी अच्छे से दिख के आ रहा था, इमोशनल. तो I के अलावा कोई पसंद ही नहीं आया पूरे फिल्म.
Right. Shreya, did you like the main guy, the ex-wrestler Dave Bautista?
Scott, yeah, the Scott character, right?
God,
yeah. He was like, he was making me remind Rock. I don't know why.
Yeah, he's a wrestler. He's a former wrestler.
Yeah, he was so like tough one. But
Right.
as Marita said, मुझे actors में से like I don't like anybody. Then Zombie का acting was on point. That alpha वाला guy, the main guy, he was
Right.
having on point. His acting was.
ओके सकीना, आपका फेवरेट सीन कौन सा था फिल्म से? कोई फेवरेट सीन हो तो?
From the film, I would say like there was not something that made me get to it or like interest me, but yeah, at one point of the film, I would say that where that is what stops Kate from not entering their group. So
Okay.
that at that point, I would say that was something like a bit of mysterious, like whether she will step back or not. So that was the only point. A bit of interest, but otherwise it was all just like a plain thing. Yes, one thing I would like to say that the VFX was very well done.
Okay. Janvi, you agree with the VFX bit? You like the special effects and action?
Yes, sir. It was quite like going with the story, like matching all the story plots and all.
Okay.
But except was like saying that the Huma Qureshi part was actually I didn't like it with the movie. She was the piece which actually didn't fit for the movie, but they were trying to make it fit. So that was one point. And the only thing motivated me to watch the movie was Zack Slytherin, the director.
Zack
But it
Snyder,
actually
okay.
couldn't, yeah. But
Mm-hmm.
it couldn't match my level, which I had
Okay.
expected.
Okay.
बाकी the movies are ठीक.
Okay. Right. Shubhu, acting interested you? किसी का acting अच्छा लगा आपको?
No, sir. ऐसा someone outstanding बोला तो yeah, definitely the zombies, like everybody mentioned. Apart from that, even though I had kept my hand on the screen, I genuinely could not even watch those parts where they would show their face in a close-up or something. I genuinely could not watch those parts. But yes, definitely few things that I watched, they were really, I mean, the emotions, like everybody mentioned, they could express it really well. Like Marita also said कि उनको emotions होते हैं या नहीं हमें नहीं पता, but still they could portray that very well on screen. But there was not one particular character or
Okay.
one or two actors जिनका acting I felt was really nice. They were all okay. Like Kavya also said कि they just had to look strong कि हाँ they are hard and all of that. ज़्यादा उनका कुछ acting में उतना कुछ role नहीं था.
Okay. All right. Suffice to say, my students found it to be an okay kind of a film. सारा, जाने से पहले कितना stars देंगी आप?
I'll give it a 2.5.
2.5. Okay. Sakina?
2.5 same.
Kavya?
2.
2. Okay. Shubhu? 3. Okay. All right. Rashriya?
3 for the alpha guy.
Oh, for the alpha guy. Shubhu, Shreya is a fan. Janvi, how many stars?
2.5.
2.5.
Only
Rishikesh?
for the director.
Only for the director. Oh, she's a fan of the director.
But he was such a ashik in the movie, like that the queen died. No, he wanted that revenge. Like,
Okay,
revenge
all right. Okay. Rishikesh, how many stars?
I will give it a 3-star because only of production design.
Okay, production design. All right. Marita, how many stars?
I would give it 2.5 for the zombie.
Okay, 2.5 is the average rating of this film given by my students. दोस्तों, अगर आपने देखा है Army of the Dead तो प्लीज लिख कर बताना आपको Army of the Dead कैसे लगा. चलिए, for the moment, टाटा from all of us.